अगेन मुझे इतना ओवरवेलमिंग है ये सब कुछ लाइक गॉड. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing safe and sound and काफ़ी मस्त हो गए आप लोग. It has been a while since we have done a bad chit chat, and I have been so busy and I'm so sorry for that. I've been so busy these days that I cannot even have a chit chat with my family, and I think it was needed for me and for you as well to have a conversation. So without any further ado and formalities, let's just discuss what is today's topic. Since many of you now know that I have been training as a 2B crew, so I am being trained for my cabin crew training, and the days have passed like moments for me, and it feels like it was yesterday that I left Kolkata and I came Gurugram, but things are moving really fast, and it has already been 1 month since the day I shot my first video. The feelings are very mixed, I would say. I still feel that there's so many things that I have to, get through it. But it's a very good feeling, and things here, and the course here is making sense to me, really making sense to me. I got introduced to this fuselage, this aircraft body, and that was such a good feeling, I would say. And we got to touch it, we got to know about it, we got to know about the parts, we got to do exits, how to open a door or close a door, and there were like many aircraft things that you won't be able to understand if I'll keep on blabbering. So let's just not get ahead of it, and let's just introduce you to my bags. I got my belongings from my company. They have provided all the 2B crews to their belongings, which has a bag, a trolley bag, and it's a very pretty. Then we got our uniforms, and there are so many good cute stuffs that I am about to show you in a moment. Just wait. And we have also got our side bag along with it, and there's just so many things that I cannot keep talking about, but let's just see. Okay guys, so let's see what's in my crew bag. Okay, so let's see what's in my cabin crew bag. Nice trick. Gosh, life is simple. Right. Let's just unpack my bag, or I may say our crew bag, right? So let's open it. अभी तो मैंने भी support के नहीं देखा है इसमें क्या है. Okay, so we have 2 boxes here. And let's see. Okay, so this is the cabin shoe, no crew, but cabin shoe that we are supposed, oh no, these are not the cabin shoe, but these are the shoe which we are supposed to wear other than cabin. जब भी cabin में नहीं रहेंगे तब हम लोग ये वाली shoe पहनेंगे. It has a nice finish and these are pretty. So I cannot wait to dress up myself and show you guys. So the next one is this box. Okay, these are very well packed, well organized, which I am just organizing for you guys to show you all. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, these are the shoes मुझे खराब नहीं करनी है. Okay, these are the cabin shoe that I was talking about. These are the cable shoe, हमारी cabin shoe जो हमें cabin में काम करते वक्त पहनी होगी. Now we have the belt for our uniform here. We have a jumbo overcoat because I am tall, so they suggested me to go for a medium size, and these overcoats are usually very big, and I have not yet unpacked it, but this looks very nice, as if it was made for me. Now the fun part is my uniform. I cannot wait to wear it and show you guys, because I have done a trial, and there are bits and pieces that needs to be, stitched and all. So the rest too, we get 3 pairs. So the one is with me, and the other 2 are with the tailor. This is the cardigan. This is the cardigan, and we are supposed to wear the cardigan. I don't think I'm supposed to open it and show you, because कौन इतना मुझसे नहीं होगा वापस से इतने अच्छे से रखना. I cannot pack it back. So these are, I think the fun part is in here. So before this, I would like to show you. What are these? These are the stockings that we wear with our uniform. Stockings you must know, I think. The girls, they know. I don't know about the men here, but yes, with our uniform to cover our legs. Now the fun part that I was talking about, these are the bags. So this is the pretty part. Each and everything is a pretty part here, but each and everything is a pretty part here, but this is the most pretty part that we have got. Our scarves. As these are the initial days of my training, so we have to wear scarves, but they are black in color, like pure steel black, and I don't like them personally that much, but I do love Indigo's scarf that they provide. And then I got one, so it's a money bag. If I'm supposed to keep all my money here, I don't know if I will or not. This is a handle, the one that I have to attach it here with my name tag in it, and I have to keep it here. I have to attach it over there, handle. And then we got badges. This says Miss Indigo. So I got 2 of these. Then curl part in black. 2 of these again, and then second in command. Second in command. Then I got my wings. Let me show you. Okay, so all who are very fond of this airline's uniform, they must have undying love for this wing. I hope you are able to see it. So this is the wing that will go in our cap, that hat you see, and it will go someplace there or there, either the left or the right side. And I just cannot wait to have my graduation, because this ring is nothing without that hat, sort of, because in our graduation day we are given our rings along with that hat. So that hat and this ring together makes the uniform. So just like the power of we, as we are taught, we are nothing without if we are not together. So this has a value. This does not have a value yet because the hat is missing. So I need my hat, okay, and that we will be getting in graduation. So it will go there, and I just can't wait. So these these are the things that I have received. Okay, I've received till now. Other than that, we have got this bag. Both are from American Tourister. These are very good quality, but no bugs. So let's just open it. I have not even opened it yet. So you and I both are doing it together today. Oh, nice. It has a handle over here. Then harness. It will exceed obviously, you know. And what else? Chains are superbly nice. So there are certain things, there are certain books, rules, regulations that we have to follow, and those things will go inside. Like if you're thinking that I am supposed to keep all my things here, then no. There are certain things that the company give us and we have to abide by them all, and then we have to keep it here. So these sections are, I assume these sections are for them, and obviously all the sweets that I'm going to carry on my flight. It feels so good whenever I say a flight. I love it. I love it already. So I think that was it, and I hope you enjoyed this fun unboxing video with me, and I hope that I have served a purpose with this video of mine, because there are so many aspirants who are willing to become a cabin crew someday in near future. I believe me girls, I was one of you, and I also used to go through numerous number of videos each and every day on YouTube to see and assume how will my life must look like after I become a cabin crew. But believe me, life here is very good. People will tell you numerous things, they will have an assumption no matter what, but you should never ever stop believing in your dreams. So always try to pursue it, try to pursue your dream, the one dream that will make you strong financially and mentally and in all sorts of way that it can help you. And I think that being financially strong is the utmost wealthy and healthy thing that you can do to your body, to yourself, and you can give that justice to you. So never ever stop your dream just because of someone assumed it to be a wrong dream for you. Listen, nobody has that right. Secondly, yes, life is very promising as it seems on the YouTube, on the gram, on the reels, but I would like to ensure all my ladies, there will be hardships, there will be challenges, there will be days when you will feel like things are not going the way it's supposed to be. At first you will feel really distant because we are taught to deal with things like in that way. So it will make you uncomfortable little at beginning, but not very uncomfortable. You will be given time to adjust in that surrounding, adjust to understand what's going around you, what kind of modules you are being introduced to. So these things will be there. Please do not ever give up. Even if you cannot make it, there are people who I know who did not make it, but they never lose the hope. They are still giving their best shot, and then they are excelling. So my advice to you will be never ever give up on your dream. Fly high and love this. It's my training days and I think I cannot talk more about it. Let's have a chit chat once I become a crew and I start flying. Okay? So yeah. Okay, so lovely meeting you all, and I wish I'll come back and see you soon. Really, see you soon, as soon as possible for me and my schedules. So yeah. Bye.
bye bye and love you.